Is your alarm not ringing on your Pixel phone? Missed alarms, no sound, or the clock app not triggering alarms at all? Don't worry, this video will guide you through the most effective fixes to get your Pixel alarm working properly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check alarm volume. Open settings on your device, then tap sound and vibration. From here, make sure the alarm volume is turned up. Sometimes, alarms fail simply because the volume is set too low or too muted. Solution 2. Clear the cache and allow notifications for the clock app. Go to settings on your device, then tap apps. Next, tap see all apps. Now look for the clock app and tap it. Then tap notifications and ensure it allows. If notifications are blocked, alarms may not alert you properly. After that, tap storage and cache. Next, tap clear cache. This removes temporary glitches without deleting your alarms. Solution 3. Check date and time settings. Go to settings on your device. Scroll a little bit and tap system. Then tap date and time. Turn on automatic date and time and toggle on automatic time zone. Incorrect time settings can cause alarms to fail. Solution 4. Update system and clock app. Go to the Play Store on your phone. Search for clock app and install updates if available. Sometimes an outdated app causes this issue. If this guide helps you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Pixel and Android fixes, and comment below if your alarm is working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.